Hello learners, watch this video to make a sample of a running stitch. What you'll need: hand needle, thread, fabric, scissors, pencil or chalk, flat surface, pins, and thimble. Follow the following procedure to make a running stitch. Thread the needle and tie a knot at the end of the thread. Prepare your piece of cloth and mark the right side and the wrong side of it. Mark the stitching line on the wrong side of the piece of cloth using a pencil. Pin the pieces together to hold them in place. Bring the needle up through the pieces of cloth from the wrong side to the right side at your starting point. Insert the needle back into the fabric a stitch length ahead of your starting point. Pull the needle through the wrong side. Repeat the steps for the entire stitch line. Tie a knot at the end of the thread on the wrong side of the fabric after stitching. Give your sample to your teacher for assessment.